Hello everyone, come on in, come on. So I'm bringing you into my home today. We are at the Star Wars Star Trek collab by the amazing It's Art by Donna, our Hollywood queen. So come in. What I'm going to share with you today, and this is especially for all the new young mums out there, all the young dads, we can't exclude them. This is the secret our generation has been keeping for years, and what Star Wars really means to our generation. So, what it is, guys, listen to my house right now. Serenity. Now, there's 3 men in this house, and you can't hear one of them, can you? That is the ultimate best thing about Star Wars. It's a rainy day, kids are bored, they're driving you nuts. Have that spare room, set it up, put Star Wars on, because this is Mum's heaven right now. Listen. Oh, except for my bird. Inside voice, please, Ernie. So, what I'm going to do today is take you on an adventure, everyone. We are going to show you how I made this very cool Star Wars table. It still needs a little bit more tweaks and finishes. I sort of ran out of time because, you know, Star Wars was on. So it was relaxed time for Mum. Honestly, every parent out there, get your kids to watch Star Wars. They have princesses for the girls. We have Ewoks. We have Chewbacca. Like, honestly, Yoda. What more could you want? It is peace and quiet and serenity for parents everywhere. Enjoy that hour and a half, because you don't get it often. Now, before me today, we had the amazing April. I hope you really enjoyed what she brought to the collab, and it was truly brilliant. And we are going to now kick on some tunes. Well, I'm not, because I've got my book. I'm going to enjoy what I have left of this serenity, because, as we know, it's precious in this world. Enjoy, guys.
Fly There's a fire inside and I just can't hide it. There's a fire inside and I just can't fight it. Ooh. You know I'm coming for you. There's a feeling inside, let it take it over. The past is in the past, wipe it off my shoulder. Ooh. You know I'm coming for you. I was born in the river and the river was wild, washed by the water, I've been baptized. Oh, out of the ashes I'm rising like a phoenix. If you try to hold me back, you better believe that I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. There's a burning in my soul like a southern preacher. I can feel it boiling up like a new believer. You know I'm coming for you. I was born in the river and the river was wild, washed by the water, I've been baptized. Out of the ashes I'm rising like a phoenix. If you try to hold me back, you better believe that I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I was born for the war, I was born for the battle. Let the cannons ring and the thunder rattle. You won't see a white flag lifting over me. When the smoke clears, it's me that you see. I love the fight. I love the fight. I won't back down, I won't give in, 'cause in the end, I love the fight. Take your best shot, another miss from the corner. Gonna give all I got, gonna last through the fire. You won't see a white flag lifting
Alrighty guys, we are back. So this one was actually really cool because originally, I must show you, it was my son when he was 13 made this, and I've always wondered what I was going to do with it. So what I am going to do, I'm going to cut some drips around here so it sort of hangs over the edge of the skin. So that will be the final piece, and then of course she'll be all resined and beautiful. But weather just wasn't kind to me this time, but I still think it's going to look pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed, and that is my contribution to Donna's amazing Star Wars Star Trek collab this year. I hope you enjoyed. So next up after me guys, we have Cynthia Porter Studios. So jump on over, follow us over to the chat, let the adventure continue, and don't forget, great parenting advice, Star Wars, serenity, makes happy parents, we love it. Have fun guys, thanks for watching. Go get messy!